Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is your number copy and today I am going to teach you number in words 39 and 40. Now open your copy and complete your work with me. Children, in the first you will draw the margin line on the left side of the copy like this. Then you will make two columns and you will draw the line in the center of the page like this. Then you will start your work. In first column you will write 3939. Then you will write here the sign of is equals to and here you will write the spelling of 39. THIRTY 30, and here you will leave the one column and then you will write the spelling of 9 NINE 9. Then you will leave one line and here you will write the spelling of 39 3939, the sign of is equals to, and here you will write the spelling of 39 THIRTY 30. Then you will leave one column and here you will write the spelling of 9 NINE 9 39. Then you will leave again one line and here you will write 3939, the sign of is equals to and the spelling of 39 THIRTY 30 NINE 9 39 NINE 39. Then you will leave again one line and write 3939, the sign of is equals to, and here you will write again 39 THIRTY 30. Then you will leave one column and here you will write 9 NINE 9 39. Write it again 3939, the sign of is equals to, and THIRTY 30 NINE 9 39. And children, in another column you will write 4040, the sign of is equals to, and the spelling of 40 is FORTY 40. Then you will leave one line and here you will write again 4040, the sign of is equals to, the spelling of 40 is FORTY 40. Then you will leave one line again 4040, the sign of is equals to FORTY 40 FORTY 40 4040, the sign of is equals to, and here you will write 4 FORTY 40. What is the spelling of 40? FORTY 40 FORTY 40. I hope children you will understand the spelling of 39 and 40. You will learn these spellings at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.